Hello students, let's do some more questions for your board exams. Inverse trigonometry. Now, tan inverse x upon y minus tan inverse x minus y upon x plus y is equals to. बच्चे, what is tan inverse A minus tan inverse B? This is tan inverse A minus B upon 1 plus AB. Now, tan inverse x upon y minus x minus y upon x plus y upon 1 plus AB, x upon y into x minus y upon x plus y. What do we get? Tan inverse LCM is y and x plus y. Y of this side x into x plus y minus numerator x minus y into y upon taking LCM y into x plus y. Here we have y into x plus y plus x into x minus y. Both the denominators are same, cancel. What do we get? Tan inverse x into x, x square plus xy minus xy plus y square upon y into x, xy plus y square plus x square minus xy. Xy and xy get cancelled. There also xy and xy get cancelled. What is left? X square plus y square. X square plus y square. Both the terms get cancelled. And what do we get? Tan inverse 1. And what is tan inverse 1? We can write it as tan inverse tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1. And what is tan inverse tan theta? Equals to theta. If theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Here we have tan inverse tan pi by 4 is pi by 4, which is our answer. If sin inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x equals to pi by 2, we have to find the value of x. But this is question from your NCERT book and a very important question. Now, first we have an identity sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. Keeping this in mind, we have sin inverse 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse x equals to pi by 2. What will be right? Minus 2 sin inverse x equals to pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 minus x. What is pi by 2 minus sin inverse x? Cos inverse x. Minus 2 sin inverse x equals to cos inverse 1 minus x. Put sin inverse x as let theta. What is the value of x? Sin theta. Now sin inverse x is theta minus 2 theta equals to cos inverse 1 minus x. Taking cos inverse on the left hand side, cos minus 2 theta equals to 1 minus x. But what is cos of minus theta? Is cos theta. Cos of minus 2 theta is minus 2 theta equals to 1 minus x. Now cos 2 theta. What is cos 2 theta? 1 minus 2 sin square theta equals to 1 minus x. What is sin theta? X. What is sin square theta? X square equals to 1 minus x. 1 and 1 get cancelled and minus also get cancelled. 2x square equals to x. 2x square minus x equals to 0. X common, 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Now either x is 0 or 2x minus 1 equals to 0. So what we can write? Either x equals to 0 or 2x minus 1 equals to 0, then x equals to 1 by 2. Now we have two values for x. Now let's put these values in our question. and check whether both of these are our answer, or we have to cancel anyone. Now we have two answers. First is x equals to 0, another is x equals to 1 by 2. Taking x equals to 0, taking left hand side, sine inverse 1 minus 0, minus 2 sine inverse 0. What is sine inverse 1? Sine inverse sine pi by 2, that is pi by 2, minus sine inverse 0 is 0. 2 into 0, 0. What do we get? Pi by 2. Right hand side. Therefore, x equals to 0 is our answer. Now, let's take x equals to 1 by 2. Sine inverse 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. What is 1 minus 1 by 2? 1 by 2 minus 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. What is sine inverse 1 by 2? We can write sine pi by 6. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 minus 2 sine inverse sine pi by 6. Sine inverse sine pi by 6 is pi by 6 minus 2 into pi by 6. What do we get? Pi by 6 minus pi by 3. Taking LCM 6, pi minus 2 pi minus pi by 6, which is not equals to our right hand side. Therefore, we will cancel this answer. X equals to 1 by 2. Our only answer is x equals to 0. We have to find the value of sine 1 by 2 cos inverse 4 by 5. Now, what will we do? We will take this whole term as theta. 1 by 2 cos inverse 4 by 5. Let this equals to theta. Taking 2 on the right hand side, cos inverse 4 by 5 is equals to 2 theta. Cos inverse on the right hand side, 4 by 5 equals to cos 2 theta. 4 by 5 equals to cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Clear? Now, what is 2 sine square theta? Taking this on the left hand side equals to 1 minus 4 by 5. 2 sine square theta is, what is 1 minus 4 by 5? 1 by 5. Sine square theta will be equals to 1 by 5 into 2. Sine square theta equals to 1 by 10. This has become sine theta. We have to find the value of sine theta is equals to, sine square theta is 1 by 10. What is sine theta? Plus minus by 10. That is plus minus 1 by root 10 is the value of sine theta. Find the value of tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. We are opening this bracket first. Tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse. In place of 1 by 2, what we can write? Sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2. And बच्चे, what is sin inverse sin theta? Equals to theta if theta belongs to minus pi by 2, close bracket, to pi by 2. Now what is sin inverse sin pi by 6 is? Pi by 6. Tan inverse 2 cos 2 into pi by 6, that is pi by 3. Tan inverse 2 into, what is cos pi by 3? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. What is left? Tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 can be written as tan inverse tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1. And what is tan inverse tan theta? Equals to theta if theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, open brackets. Therefore, tan inverse tan pi by 4 is pi by 4, which is our answer. Write principal value of sin inverse minus 1 by 2 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2. Now, Sine inverse minus 1 by 2 can be written as minus sine pi by 6. Sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2 plus cos inverse minus cos pi by 3. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Now bachche, what is sine inverse minus sine theta? Is minus theta. Here we get minus pi by 6 plus what is cos inverse minus cos theta? Is pi minus theta. Cos inverse minus cos pi by 3 can be written as pi minus pi by 3. Now minus pi by 6. What is pi minus pi by 3? 2 pi by 3. Taking 6 LCM, minus pi plus 3 2s are 6. 4 pi. What is left? 3 pi by 6, that is pi by 2, which is our answer. But if one want to do it directly, we have a formula. Sin inverse theta plus cos inverse theta equals to pi by 2. Now bachche, sin inverse 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and cos inverse minus 1 by 2. This angle is same. The answer will be pi by 2. Clear? Evaluate tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Tan inverse 1 can be written as tan inverse tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 can be written as minus cos pi by 3. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2 can be written as minus sin pi by 6. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. What is tan inverse tan theta? Equals to theta. If theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, open brackets. Tan inverse tan pi by 4 is pi by 4 plus what is cos inverse minus cos theta is pi minus theta. This is pi minus pi by 3 plus what is sin inverse minus sin theta equals to minus theta. What will we get? Minus pi by 6. Now pi by 4 plus pi minus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3 plus minus minus pi by 6. Taking LCM, 12, 4 3s are 3 pi plus 3 4s are 4 2s are 8 minus 2 pi. 8 and 3, 11 minus 2, 9 by 12 pi. 3 3s are 3 4s are 3 pi by 4 is our answer. If tan inverse 3x plus tan inverse 2x equals to pi by 4, we have to find the value of x. What is the formula of tan inverse A plus tan inverse B? Tan inverse A plus B upon 1 minus AB. What will we get? Tan inverse 3x plus 2x upon 1 minus 3x into 2x equals to pi by 4 is given. Taking tan inverse on the right hand side, 3x plus 2x, 5x upon 1 minus x square equals to tan pi by 4. And what is tan pi by 4? 1. 5x upon 1 minus 6x square equals to 1. Taking denominator on the right hand side, 5x equals to 1 minus 6x square. 6x square plus 5x minus 1 equals to 0. 6x square plus 6x minus x minus 1 equals to 0. 6x common, x plus 1 minus 1 is common, x plus 1 equals to 0. We have two factors, x plus 1 and 6x minus 1 equals to 0. Now x plus 1 equals to 0, then x equals to minus 1, and if 6x minus 1 equals to 0, 6x equals to 1 and x equals to 1 by 6. So we have two values of x, minus 1 and 1 by 6. Sine of tan inverse x is equals to, four options are given. Now we have sine of tan inverse x. We have to find its value out of these answers. Now taking tan inverse x equals to theta. Taking tan inverse on the right hand side, x equals to tan theta. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of sine theta. Now this is angle theta. We have a right angle triangle ABC. What is tan theta? Opposite upon adjacent. Tan theta is x. We can write it as x upon 1. This is a right angle triangle. Using Pythagoras theorem, what will be the value of AC? AC square equals to AB square plus BC square Pythagoras. We will get 1 plus x square, 1 square plus x square, whole under root. Now what is the value of sine theta? Sine theta can be opposite side upon hypotenuse. That is, value of sine theta will be x upon under root 1 plus x square. Therefore, option C is our correct option.